Welcome back. A ray of hope for Goan miners. Mine Secretary A.K. Pujari has announced that dumping of rejected ore outside the lease area will be allowed. Central government is thinking of further amendment in the MMDR Amendment Act 2015. The ordinance was not clear about dumping of rejected ore outside the lease areas. As per the Supreme Court's order, dumping outside the lease area is illegal.
This may get some relief to the Goan miners. Mine Secretary A.K. Pujari has announced that dumping of rejected ore outside the lease area will be allowed. Mines Ministry will amend MMDR Amendment Act 2015 further. Ordinance on mining was silent on the dumping of ore outside the lease area.
आमच्या मिटिंगेन माइन सेक्रेटरी जो आसा नवीन माइन सेक्रेटरी आयला आणि तो गोंया विजिट केल्लो ताणें हो प्रॉब्लेम स्टडी करपाक जो ओव्हरबर्डनाचो आसा कारण की मायनी भितर ओव्हरबर्डन उडोवपाक जागो ना जाल्यार ताणें सांगलें की आतां जो पळय अमेंडेड एक्ट आसा ताका फर्दर अमेंड करतले टू परमीट ओव्हरबर्डन डंपिंग आउटसाइड द लीज एरिया आणि तांच्यांनी डायरेक्शन दिला गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक जे अमेंडेड एक्ट आतां इम्प्लिमेंट जाला सेंटराचो ताचो इम्प्लिमेंटेशन तांकां गोंयांक मातसो कमी दिसलो आणि ताका लागून मायनी इतक्यो चालू जायना ताका लागून ताणें हें केलां की गोंया गव्हर्नमेंटाक ताणें डायरेक्शन दिलां की मातशें तें इम्प्लिमेंट करा आणि रोखडे मायनी चालू जावच्यो.
Now look at this. In Goa, area of mining lease is maximum up to 100 hectares. At initial stage, ratio of rejection of ore is 4:1. Taking into consideration 89 mining leases within 20 million tons of capping during lease period will produce 1,600 million tons of rejected ore. Dumps of 1 lakh tons of rejection needs 2 hectares of area within the lease. Taking into account this aspect, every year 1 million tons of iron ore need 20 hectares of area to dump rejects. Within 5 years or maximum 6 years, 100 hectares of lease area will be filled with dumps. As per Supreme Court's order, dumping outside the lease area is illegal. If the central government allow dumping outside the lease area, then it will give a major relief to the mining industry, which still awaits a favorable market for the mining resumption. Goan miners had earlier on several occasions petitioned the central government over the reject dumps. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
Awareness on the anti-public policies of central government and public support to the nationwide strike on 2nd September. With this aim, the South Goa transport operators held a meeting at Madgaon Lohia Maidan on Monday. The strike will highlight the controversial transport bill of the BJP government, which will badly affect people in transport services.
Mining काबार झाले, tourism अर्जाचेर पावला, ट्रान्सपोर्टा जवळ गोंयकार नीट जवळ 60-70 हजार लोक गोंयचे ऑटो रिक्षा टॅक्सी पायलट टेम्पो हे चलोवन आमी आमच्या घरावेची पोटां भरता हे दळणीराक खबर ना हो प्रश्न आमी हातून विचारतात. बिल जे हाडला हे लोकशाही विरोधी बिल आसात. फक्त तुमचे बिल न्ही, कामगारांचे बिल, शेतकामतीचे बिल. आमी हांगा जे कोण आसात दुकानांतले लोक जे आसात ते अशे बसून सिगरेट ओडून हे किनेरे लोहिया मैदानाचेर पळयतात. लक्षांत दवरात, या सरकाराची जी केंद्र सरकाराची जी माणावळ आसा तो बारीक धंदेकार मरपाची माणावळ. जो कोण आमच्या फुडाराचेर घात घालतलो, जो कोण आमच्या फुडाराचेर हमलो करतलो तेका आमी सोडचे ना. ही शिटकावणी आयच्या या जाहीर सभेंतल्यान आमी ह्या सरकाराक दितात. आणि 2 तारखेचो संप जो आसा तो संप फक्त गोंयापुरतो मर्यादित ना. 2 तारखेच्या संपान हिंदुस्थानाचे सगळे कष्टकरी लोक सामील जातले.
आयन एक ठरयल्लें आसा, तुम्ही पळयता आसतले की जर तुम्ही जर आमचो धंदो तर सांबाळिना जाल्यार खंय तरी आमी तुमकांय खांग दिवचे ना. ह्या वृत्ती प्रमाणे सगळ्यांची फाट घेवपाची आणि सगळ्यांचेर नदर दवरपाचें काम आमी आमच्या संघटनेच्या माध्यमांतसून करता. तुमकांय उलो मारता सगळ्यांक की अशी संकटां आमचेर वेळोवेळ येतलीच.
BJP Students Panel has won the Goa University Students' Council election. The results were out on Monday. Out of 62 members, BJP panel won with 44 votes, defeating Congress-backed NSUI panel. NSUI was supported by Voice of Students and Goa Rakhand Manch. Anisha Shenvi Desai has been elected as the chairman of GUSC and Namish Telang the general secretary.
Also, their evaluation. द नॉमिनल फीस आमी प्रोसेस करतात कमी करपाचे. तशेंच आमचे दुसरो आसा तो आमी मेन म्हणल्यार कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स आनी थर्ड म्हणल्यार आमचो सेफ्टी फॉर गर्ल्स ट्रेनिंग स्पेशल आमी करपाचे डिमांड करतले.
तेंच्यांनी आमकां विश्वास दवरून आमकां वोट दिल्ल्यात आपले ते आमी तेंची जितली आशा आमचेर ती आमी उडोवन घालची ना. वील मेक इट.
Meanwhile, NSUI has alleged that government machinery is used to win the elections.
BJYM is there over the years and this has been continuously happening and there is no change to it. So that is what we would also demand for an open election system because these things are happening. The government machinery is being used for all these reasons, for winning. And if you go to see the BJYM, for 2 years they were there in power. They have not solved any student issues, what the students believe.
Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Around 14 people injured in a major accident at Old Goa. The accident occurred between a tanker and a bus. The bus was plying from Ponda to Panji and tanker was plying from Panji to Ponda. Few of them were admitted in the GMC. One Venkatesh Lavande, aged 77 years, is seriously injured. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.